Right, I'm back for part 4, ladies. It's just a matter of finishing off now. And I'm going to make another I have to put some more glue in my gun here, because I have a little floral display, and I'm going to pop one there. I've got a couple of white ones that I'm going to colour once they're on, because they only go over the edges. It's not much. So just put a couple here. Just going to get a bit more glue. I don't know if I've got any in there, have I? No, I thought I had. Hang on a minute. So it should just manage to get enough to finish. And like I say, it's just a case of building round, and then adding your clasp, Tim Holtz clasp, and whatever it is you want to add. Right, and don't want any. Yeah, I'll have another one there. Absolutely adore these flowers, these little red ones, well, cerise coloured ones. Really pretty roses, not very big, well, about an inch. Really pretty they are. So just push that in there. When you're pushing them in, don't just have them sat sideways. Push them and then bring them forward a little bit, so that when you're looking at your tag, you're actually seeing a really nice display. So I'm just going to put a little one there just to hide that bit. Yeah, I like that. Really pretty. And then a couple more on here. Let me see, what have we got? Need to make another order. Thing is, this web, and I forgot, I will put the website up for these because they were really, really cheap, and you saw how many I got. I do have some left in my box, and so yeah, really pretty they are. Love these flowers, but I will be buying them in more colours because I don't just want everything to be these 3-4 colours. I do want various coloured flowers. Much prefer that. Oh, a couple of different flowers here. Do a real good batch, real good mix. I saw that one. Here we are. Got another one. Yep, one there. And then I'm going to put one more red rose in. And that'll... Oh, I've got one up there to do. Yeah, wait a minute. Just spotted an area where I need one. So I'm going to pop that just in there. Doesn't matter if you've got one or two together that are the same. Might actually put one there as well. What about the bud? Nope, don't like that. Here's a little one. This'll do. One in there. Now I don't have any leaves left. I'm going to have to cut some. I've got some leaves there, but they're a bit big, so we'll see how we get on. What are we on to? 406. I need one more flower. Oh, I made that one. I'm going to put that one on. I'm going to pop that. No, too much. No, too much. Right, okay, I'm not going to use that one. Oh well. Let me just find another red one. Or a little fancy one somewhere. Let's have a look. Plain one will do, so I'll colour it. No problem. Right, so that's what we've got so far. Yeah, open that up. Let me just show you this now. A little bit of stuff on his eye, don't want that. This is what we've got so far. Now really, all I need to put in now is the fastener. Well, that's a problem. What have I done with them? I don't know what I've done with them. They're around somewhere. Cause me seen them. What have I done with them? Oh, I'm useless, me. Absolutely useless. They're in a little tub somewhere. What have I done with them? I'll take it. I'm not going to. Right, I'm also going to put on a cameo on this one. Too much. This one. Just going to pop this little cameo on. And I will go around this with stickles. I need to know what I've done with my little tub. What are they? Oh, I've got it, ladies. Got it. Here we are. Back to front. I always tell which one it is because it's got a little tub in it. Let's have a look, see if we've got the clasp. Let's have a look. There we are, there it is. So I'm going to use this one. 625, just got time to do that. Hook the little clasp into the like that. And grip it together. And there I've got my little bird cage clasp ready to go on to the fibres, and that will hang like that. Oh, and I've got to put a bit of bling just there. Let me have a look. I think we'll use a couple of pink. Yeah, I've got 3 or 4 of those. I only need a couple there. There you go, that's that done. Another birdcage tag, and here's the original one. I'm going to bend him back. He's like, right, like that. A little bit different bird. But let me just show you this. Oh, I've got a bit of the bird. I'm going to put the butterfly on this one. Look, I made this butterfly, didn't I? So quickly, 740. Right, I'm just going to do this. Because I do want to use this butterfly. Make sure he's sat right. And then I'm just going to pop this butterfly on that cage. Where? And just pop him there, I think. There you go. Handmade butterfly, handmade bird cage, handmade bird, handmade tag. What do you think? And his little eye can go anywhere it wants. So I'm just going to show you them together. If I can get them together like that. Oh, one's slightly bigger than the other. That's the bottom of the tags. The bird and the floral display with the handmade flowers, and the top of the tags with a little floral display at the top. What do you think to that one then, ladies? With a handmade butterfly. Cheeky little thing, isn't it? Like I say, I do have the words to put on it, but I've not got time to do it. Right, the time's going to go, ladies. There's my 2 tags. Birdcage tags. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for watching. And I'll speak to you soon. Let me just see if I can move that over. There you go. Hope you like